Hey guys, it's Sunday. The snow has just started. The roads aren't too bad. I just ran out to get the bread and stuff we talked about last night. I got a little storm survival kit right here. In addition to the stuff we got yesterday, we should be fine. Ironically, the bread at Walmart was very well stocked. The bread man was even there as I was leaving the aisle.
You wanted to make sure that everybody had their bread.
The aisle that was all torn apart was the aisle that had the chips in it. It was pretty slim pickings for chips. But I probably went overboard on the bread. I got 2 loaves. One will go in the freezer, I figure. Got some water, got some granola bars. Got some cheese, so we can have grilled cheese. I got some jelly, so we can have PB&J. We're gonna be prepared. And Ben, this is just for emergencies. This is Ben's emergency white chocolate mocha Starbucks.
Yeah, they don't have.
I couldn't find the bottled Dunkin' Donuts this time.
My theory is that our Walmart isn't going to sell the Dunkin' Donuts ones because there's Dunkin' Donuts in Walmart. That's my theory. So while the boys are taking a nap, I'm working on my curtains and watching Limitless. So I have one up, I have another one halfway up, then I have to do that one. Whew. So it appears that at some point during my curtain work and Netflix watching and Teagan's nap, it has started to snow. So this is the big storm that's coming. We're supposed to be getting like 20 inches or something. So you can see how we can see the bottom of the garage door out there. Right there, the black. That's the bottom of the door. We're not going to be able to see that very long.
It's been snowing for a couple hours now. Hasn't accumulated really enough yet for me to bother going out the snowplow the driveway.
Nope.
So, just gonna let Mother Nature take its course and see what it's looking like in the morning. Or tomorrow afternoon.
Who knows when it's gonna end.
Playing with some kinetic sand in the house.
Yep. Snowy day, you can't play in the sandbox outside.
Playing the snow box.
That's true.
It'd be a little cold though. Teagan, what's it like to be cold?
Cold though.
Cold snow, yeah. If I put you outside in the snow, what would you be like? Would you be like?
He doesn't do it anymore.
You were doing it yesterday.
Oh, was he? Teagan, what do you do when you're cold?
Mama Kiki.
I'm making a doggy, yeah. What do you do when you're cold?
Cold dog.
You wear a hat?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Hat.
It may not be the healthiest snow day meal, but it's definitely a perfect one. Making some grilled cheese. Yum, yum, smells good. I haven't had grilled cheese in a long time. But it's perfect on a night where it's still pretty blizzardy out and the worst is still yet to come. Holy cow, look. Our stairs are under there someplace. Keeps coming down like this. It's gonna be level with the screen here. Oh my gosh.